Hey dolls, in today's video, I partnered up with Kuza Naturals to show you how to do a 3-strand twist out so you can achieve some beautiful heatless curls. So if you're unable to do a flat twist and you want to be able to create a lot of definition with less twist than a 2-strand twist out, then the 3-strand twist is going to be your best option. So if you want to learn how to do it, keep watching. I'll be starting the style off on clean hair. So first I'm going to go ahead and shampoo my hair with the Kuza Naturals Jamaican Black Castor Oil Shampoo. So this is a sulfate and paraben free shampoo that will gently cleanse to remove buildup without stripping your hair. Now you can see how easily it lathers up, which if you're new to my channel, lather is something I look for in a shampoo, along with how effectively it cleanses my hair. And of course that the shampoo does not dry my hair out. So this shampoo definitely has all the qualities I look for in a shampoo. Plus it smells really good. It has a pleasant coconut scent to it, so I'll definitely be stashing the shampoo and adding it to my regimen. So after I massage the shampoo throughout my scalp and hair, I rinse it off and then I follow it up with the conditioner from the line. So the Kuza Naturals Jamaican Black Castor Oil Conditioner infused with coconut oil is also sulfate and paraben free like the remainder of the line, and it also has a coconut scent as well. The conditioner has somewhat of a more watery consistency than your typical conditioner, so it's not thick and creamy at all, so there's really not much slip to aid in detangling, but it does contain shea butter, castor oil, coconut oil, and aloe vera extract, so it is very moisturizing. Not gonna lie y'all, I was a little skeptical at first when I saw the consistency, but I was actually very pleasantly surprised as to how soft it left my hair. So it's definitely a good conditioner and one I'm gonna continue using. After I shampooed and conditioned, I created a few mini flat twists. So if you don't know how to flat twist, be sure to check the description box for a detailed how-to tutorial on that. But let's go ahead and get into this 3-strand twist out. Grab a medium section of hair and dampen it a little bit if you're starting on dry hair. Be sure not to wet it too much, as this will increase your drying time. So if you're doing the twist immediately after getting out of the shower, you may not have to wet your hair at all. Next, apply the Kuza Naturals Jamaican Black Castor Oil Repair Leave-In Conditioner. So this product is fortified with Jamaican Black Castor Oil, coconut oil, aloe vera juice, and argan oil. And I honestly love it. It's super moisturizing. I've been using it for a little bit over a month now, and it's just become one of my go-to leave-in conditioners. I mean, I can pretty much use it as a styler as well, because it has such a thick, creamy consistency that it's perfect for twist outs and braid outs. And if you follow me on Instagram, and you know I've pretty much already gone through a whole container, so my hair loves it, and I would really recommend this product if you're looking for a good leave-in conditioner. Be sure to apply a good amount of the leave-in conditioner so you make sure that every single strand gets coated, as this is one of the keys to getting a frizz-free moisturized twist out. Afterwards, you just brush and smooth out the section. So to create a 3-strand twist, start by splitting your hair into 3 even sections like you would a regular braid, and begin by braiding the hair at the root. Weave it down about 3 to 4 times, then take one of the outside strands and twist it over the other 2. In my case, I like to take the strand that's in my right hand and twist it over the other 2. Now your initial instinct may be to continue braiding all the way down, since that's the motion you're used to, but one thing that really helped me get the motion down is repeating the phrase right hand over 2, right hand over 2 in my mind as I'm twisting down. Continue this motion while twisting tightly and keeping the hair smooth for best results. Here's a closer look so you can see the motion a little bit better. I'm taking one of the outer strands and I'm twisting it over the other 2. So I'm taking my right strand and I'm twisting it over the other 2. Right hand over 2, right hand over 2. Again, split your hair into 3 even sections as you would a regular braid, and then just braid your hair at the root. Weave it down about 3 to 4 times so you can start twisting the hair around each other, and then just take one of the outer strands and twist it over the other 2. Doesn't really matter if you're taking the one in your left hand or the one in your right hand, as long as you're twisting one strand over the other 2. It's basically the motion you're doing. So if you need to keep repeating right hand over 2, right hand over 2, then do so. And remember to ensure that you keep the hair nice and smooth and that you're twisting tightly to ensure you get a nice, perfect twist out. This is going to give you good definition and it's going to give you frizz-free results. And then just continue the same motion until you reach the end of your hair. Now, if you find that one of the strands is beginning to thin out as you reach the bottom of your hair, say if your hair is layered or you just didn't split the section into 3 even pieces, what you can do is split the thickest section and add it to the thin one and then continue twisting down. Or you can basically just add the thin section to one of the other sections and then continue with a 2-strand twist. So once you finish twisting your entire hair, it should look a little something like this. Then you can allow your twist to completely dry before coating your hands with a little bit of the Kuza Naturals Jamaican Black Castor Oil Coconut Oil. Then you simply unravel the twists by twisting them in the opposite direction and pulling the strands apart. For this style, I created 12 twists, but you can create more or less depending on the type of definition you're trying to achieve. So keep in mind that the more twists you do, the more definition you'll have. So if you're looking for big, deep waves, then you would create less twists that are bigger in size. Afterwards, you can separate some of the twists to create more volume until you've reached your desired look. Because I am a bit of a wild sleeper, my roots got a little frizzy, so one thing I do like to do is take a little bit of edge control and smooth it over my roots and some of the strands to lay down the flyaways and of course to smooth down my edges, but this is how I complete my look. Comment below and let me know if you've ever tried a 3-strand twist out, and if not, let me know if this video helped you understand how to do one. Now, if you do happen to try a 3-strand twist out after watching this video, be sure to tag me on Instagram at Naturally Chia so I can see your results. Don't forget to check the description box for all the details and for more information on Kuza Naturals, and let me know in the comments if you've ever tried any Kuza products, or let me know which product piqued your interest. They do also have skincare products like creamy shea butter that is made in Ghana, so if you're a shea butter lover or love African black soap and scrubs, be sure to check them out for that as well. So if you want a chance to enter to win some Kuza Natural products, check the description box for all the rules and details on the giveaway. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up so more people can find it, and be sure to subscribe to my channel and follow me on Instagram at Naturally Chia, and let me know what else you guys would like to see. Like always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.